Hi, I'm Cassie from BBC Good Food and I'm going to show you how to make beef ragu. So I've got all of my ingredients ready. I'm going to use some ground beef today, but you could use a mixture of pork and beef if you like. I've also got some onions, carrots and celery which have been finely diced. So I'm going to heat some oil in a large pan and just add the vegetables. And these need to cook for about 10 minutes or until they're nice and softened and just starting to brown. So just leave those to sizzle in the oil. That looks great, so now I'm ready to add the beef. And I'm just going to break it up with my wooden spoon and cook it until it's lovely and dark brown. Okay, so that's been cooking for about 10 minutes and it's nice and brown now. So I'm going to add in some tomato puree. And some garlic. And some thyme leaves. And just cook that for another couple of minutes. Now we're ready to add the red wine. So just pour that in. I'm going to turn the heat up and bubble it for a couple of minutes just to boil some of the alcohol away. Okay, so most of the liquid is boiled away now. I'm going to add some beef stock. Then just season with some salt and pepper. And give it one last stir. Now I'm going to leave that to bubble on a low heat for about an hour to hour and 15 minutes, covered with a lid, until the meat's lovely and tender and the sauce looks nice and rich. That looks great. I'm just going to leave it cooking for another 15 minutes without the lid while I cook some pasta. So I've got a pan boiling with water here. Just push the pasta down under the water and don't forget to season it with a little bit of salt. The pasta's cooked. Now before I drain it, I'm just going to reserve some of the water, and you can use this in a minute to loosen the sauce when you toss the pasta through the ragu. Now just add the pasta straight to the sauce. And I'm going to stir through some parmesan cheese as well. And I'm just going to add a drizzle of that water to loosen the sauce a little bit. This will just help it coat the spaghetti. So there you go, that's how you make our beef ragu.